Traumatic brain injury. Introduction. A traumatic brain injury is caused by a strong force, blow, or injury to the head. Select true or false. Correct. Falls and motor vehicle accidents are the leading causes of TBIs. The skull does not expand when the brain swells. Select true or false. Correct. Brain swelling usually starts at the time of the injury and worsens over 3 days before the brain starts shrinking back to its normal size. If the swelling and pressure is severe and it is not treated, it can lead to death. If a person had a sudden hard blow to the head, they should see a healthcare provider right away. Select true or false. Correct. Visit a healthcare provider if you or someone you know suffers a blow to the head. Seek emergency care if there are signs of a concussion, such as feeling confused, dazed, or losing consciousness. Thank you for using Explain.